What is up, everybody? How are you guys doing today, man? You already know how it go. It's your boy B back with another video, and today, guys, we're going to be talking about how you can actually 10x your eBay business. Now, I'm going to tell you something. We got all of this data. We got all of this strategy from eBay automation. I've been doing eBay automation since 2021. And that first year, eBay automation was a failure. And if you don't know what eBay automation is, it is where I have 5 assistants that list, ship, and provide products for you. You do not have to do anything but answer questions from customers, boss your assistants around, like do the thing that bosses do, inspect what you expect, and then you reap all the benefits. You keep 100% of the profit. All you're doing is paying money to your assistant to get the products for you. Your assistant gets money out of you paying them to get the products, and you guys can get all of that information below. But the point is that me being able to work with a handful of accounts. This year alone, we've worked with 818 eBay accounts. We've helped 818 people make money. All right. And that is awesome, okay? I have a total of 78 people currently doing eBay automation, making 5 figures a month. It didn't just start out like that, okay? There has been times where we've done eBay automation and customers were impatient. They wanted to make $1,000 the first week. It does not work like that. I can tell you that right now. eBay automation is open for enrollment, but all of the people out there that want to start eBay automation, they want their assistant to make them $1,000 a week, it's not going to happen. More like 300 to start out, and then it continues to go. All right. It's called the snowball effect. But first, you got to get that account rolling. How do we get that account rolling? I'm going to show you guys our strategy. I'm going to show you each assistant in front of their cubicle in our warehouse has a whiteboard similar to this, and they use this formula that I'm about to show you guys. Okay. Now, we do not, I repeat, we do not have a magic switch that just makes eBay's start to scale and make money. Everybody's eBay is different. Everybody's eBay picks up at different points and different times. But what we have done is we've made a structure, a system to where we can use it, plug it in, keep doing those behaviors, and then the eBay sales start rolling in. Okay. So first I want to talk about this. All right. I want to talk about promotions. Okay. Now, when it comes to promotions, this is something a lot of people sleep on. Let me ask you something. How many times have you hit the promotion tab on your eBay? How many times have you promoted a product, right? That is one thing I think a lot of people, including myself, when my assistants told me, I was like, I'm not promoting no damn product. I don't even promote I don't pay to promote myself, right? I promote myself usually. Like, I don't believe that we have to pay for a promotion. You know what they said? No. One, the money isn't directly paid. So isn't paid directly. So you don't have to pay the promotion money up front. It comes out of your payout, right? So what we found is that if we do list at least 12 products, right? So at least 12 products that we list, we're going to promote these products. And when we promote these products, we're usually coming out on top, being able to get at least enough money to cover the promotional cost. So we usually start with $5 promotions. So we have 14 things listed, right? We have 14 products listed. What we usually do, I ain't writing that big enough. Let me write it big enough. 14. Yeah, there we go. We have 14. It's an ugly 4, but you get me. We have 14 things listed in the beginning, right? After we do those 14 listings, we usually are promoting at least 5 products. So at least 5 products are being promoted. So with these 5 products that are being promoted, we're seeing at least 3 be able to generate us at least 10 sales. That covers the cost initially of the money we put out there. You get me? So again, I'm trying to really hone on the fact that if you are somebody that is struggling with eBay, you're struggling with views, you're going to have to put out at least $25 from your payout. And what we usually do is this comes from your assistant's pay. You don't pay when you do eBay automation, you're not paying for the promotion. what we do is we believe so much in this promotional aspect that we know that the promotion is going to generate more money so that you stay longer, right? So what happens is we initially invest this 25 into you, right? When we initially invest that 200, I keep wanting to say 200. When we invest that 25 into you, we already know there's going to be 3 products out of the 14 that are going to sell. They're going to scale. Now, when they scale, we then start to see profit, right? You got these 3 things that are actually generating money, right? Now, from those things that are generating money, what we do next, I forgot one money sign, is we say, all right, now we're going to hop into the next phase. The next phase is bundles. So now we see that we're selling enough of the 3 products, and then we start to bundle them together, bundle them separately. So prime example, if we are selling this, right? And this is one of the products that the algorithm chose to make sell, right? We then start to say, okay, buy 3, get it for X amount. So then we start to bundle it. Now we know we're increasing our revenue. We're also packaging the product, putting more of the inventory out there, and we in return are now making money from this tier, and then we're making money from the bundle tier. Okay? All right, so that's how we go about the promotional aspect. So money isn't directly taken out, it's taken out of your payout. We do a $5 promotion per item. We list the 14. So we're going to do it for 5 of the products though, not for 14. 5 of the products. Then after that, with the products that go and sell, we bundle. Okay? That is how we are effectively able to start eBay's kicking off straight, right? Now I'm giving y'all the sauce now. I'm giving y'all the sauce, okay? Next, trends, okay? Now, when we talked about how we get these 14 products and we list them, right? Those 14 products are products that we see are trending. Now, how do we find out what a trending product is? We usually are on top of it because we always have electronics. I have electronics right now that I can't even put out until next year because they're duplicates of products that we already heard are coming out with Apple and Samsung, right? But what I will say is this. What you do is you can look at the newest products that you may have, right? So let me give y'all an example, okay? Let me give y'all an example. This product right here, this is a battery pack, a MagSafe battery pack. This right here is a MagSafe charger wired. Last year, in the beginning of this year, this was selling like hotcakes, right? So, beginning of this year, I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm not used to writing on this board yet. I'm trying to get like the other YouTubers, you know what I mean? I'm trying to up my game now, so bear with me, right? So, the MagSafe wired, right? The MagSafe wired was selling like hotcakes, right? Let's do a little fire emoji. Okay, fire emoji. Then what happened is this started to come out and be put in the stores like T-Mobile and AT&T, and they started to charge like $50, $40 for them, right? This slowed down, okay? This slowed down, but we already were selling the battery pack. We already were. But the battery pack was not selling good because people only knew about the wired one. What happened was we let Apple, we let AT&T, we let T-Mobile, we let Verizon, Xfinity, all of them promote this. And then when customers would be offered this in the store and they'd be like, oh my God, that's a high price, we would make sure we're putting this in their face when they go and look for chargers or when they go and look for cases, right? Because how many of us, we go into a store, they try to sell us something like this, an adapter, right? And then we go online on Amazon or on eBay and look like, how much this thing costs for real if I want to get it ordered, right? We make sure we put this in your face when you go and do that, right? So that's how we handle trending products. We want to make sure we are up to date with selling in stores more so than what is selling on eBay. So we focus on the customer, okay? Find what's next. Now you can do this with any type of product you have. find what's next. Right? You like Gucci glasses or Prada glasses or cologne. What's the new Dior cologne that's going to come out in a couple months? Do you know? Have you done your research to see? Do you know what type of ideas are coming? Do you know, right? Find what's next. And when you jump on what's next, see, this is what happens. You have the product, right? This is the old product, right? The product that people are used to. It's going like this. People are used to buying it. But then when a new product comes down, it goes down a little bit. Because you have different type of adapters. You have a early adapter, then you have a mid adapter, and then you got a late adapter. So the early adapters, they're going to be the ones to buy at this point because they're like, or to drop off of this product and go to the new one because they're like, okay, I don't want this crap no more. It's not new. And then you have a mid, they'll start to go down at this tier because they're like, okay, I seen the early adapter get it. They're not having no problem, so I'm going to go and buy. And then you have a late adapter, somebody that when they see that the product is falling off completely, like when people see or saw that nobody really is walking around with a wired case anymore, when you could just slap this on the back of it, then they're like, all right, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and deal with this. A good little example for this would be AirPod Maxes or AirPods Gen 2, right? Some people were like, it creates cancer in my ears or my brain, and I'm not going to use it. But then when they kept seeing people use it, they started to fall off and start to go to it, right? So you want to make sure that you find what's next. Now, the next thing we're going to talk about is customers. Now, with customers, now I got to use another marker now because I'm with different themes now. Now, with customers, what we do is we do a 3-step approach, okay? So Okay, so here's the steps. We got step 1, 2, 3, okay? Now, step 1 is buy, right? We do questions. Oops, that was supposed to be a question mark. We answer the questions that they may have. Hey, does the MagSafe charger do this? How many times does it charge the phone? eBay automation, this is the only thing that we have the assistants have their bosses, which will be you, do. You answer the questions. If you don't know the answer, of course, you ask your assistant, but none of your assistants are allowed to act like you, so they can't respond like you. But the question is the best part to get in with the person, right? Because now if they have a question, hey, does this Gen 2 headphone have a serial number? It does have a serial number, ma'am. Okay. But ma'am, I just want to let you know, these are clones or these are replicas. These are not the real thing. You're setting an expectation, right? So now what happens is the customer, whether you tell them something they like or not, they're happy because they didn't spend no money. But if you go ahead and you do not take the time to answer the question honestly, you then create an unhappy customer, right? And we don't want that, right? So we try to tell the truth. We try to have any type of question answered, right? Next is when they order, we want to say thank you, right? We want to say thank you, this, and let them know it's on the way because this makes them know that we are communicating, right? This is a text box, that we are going to deliver, right? They feel more consistency. They know you're about to deliver, and also we let them know when they get it, we want a review, okay? Important. After the thank you, when it's delivered, we want to check. Check what you inspect, okay? We want to check. So check up. Now, a lot of people are scared to do this step because they feel like if I go and I check up on the customer, if the customer isn't happy, they're going to return, they're going to complain. Here's the thing. I found that hold on guys, because we did the numbers now. Now I'm going to erase this, okay? So the first one is buy. You want to answer all the questions. Next, thank you. And the third is checkup, okay? Now, what we found is that with a customer, when you check up, they are 70% of the time going to say thank you, right? They're going to be happy. There's also going to be a 30% where they're going to be mad. The beautiful thing about 30% is you checked up, so now you can fix it before they report you to eBay. Hey, I'll send you another one. I'll send you 2 more. You could actually be able to accommodate them which in all reality gets you, guess what? A better review. I can't write stars, so we're just going to do this. A review, okay? Now, remember, the first step is, what's the first step? The first step is buy, okay? Second step, thank you. And third step is check up, okay? Don't be scared to check up, okay? Stop the fire while it's low before you sit there, you talking about, yeah, I'm selling real AirPod Gen 2s. And then they get it and they don't even got a serial number. And then they go to Apple and Apple tell them it's fake. And now you're sitting there like, oh man, they're going to report me as long as I got my money. But you getting your money right now, but the money is going to not, that money going to be gone soon, bro. You want to keep your platform. You want to do good business, right? So again, eBay Automation helps you do that, guys. If you guys ever want to join, check it out. eBay Automation, it helps you retain customers. It helps you create and keep good reviews, okay? Now, price-wise, you want to do this, okay? This is what we found out. We always come in at least 50%. Oh, whoa, not 50%. 50 cents lower. Every single time, at least 50 cents lower, okay? Why? Because we want to beat our competition. We will take a loss. So you want to take a loss if need be for at least one product. Why? Because you need the review. The review is going to set the tone, right? The review is going to set the tone. We already know how we're going to get sales immediately now. We already know, okay? But we want to set the tone. Setting the tone is important, okay, guys? Next, after you set that and you want to take that loss, now you want to say offers. Allow people to make offers. So you are always in control. You can always counter offers. Y'all can go back and forth, but you always can make sure that you're maximizing and at least giving yourself a chance to get a sale. All right, guys. So that is the whole shebang. I hope you guys liked the video. I'm going to try to keep getting better. I'm working on getting something in my warehouse so I have more space. I mean, I got space here, but I want to be able to zoom out a little bit more so you guys can see the board more. But again, I don't know if I gotta get a bigger board. I don't know. But regardless, guys, I hope you guys got the point. I hope you guys continue to make this stuff work, man. eBay Automation is in the link below. You guys can join. We list, ship, and provide. You don't gotta go to the post office. You don't gotta provide any products. You don't have to list. You don't have to revise. You don't have to make the price. You don't have to set up your LLC. You don't have to do none of that. And you keep 100% of the profit. All you do is pay your assistant either weekly or bi-weekly a rate, and it starts at $250. So again, it is cheap. It makes you money. This is something that has been successful. We're launching even further. Forget just 78, because I don't want to say forget 78 because that sounds a little rude. Forget just 78. We want to go into the triple digits next year. So I hope you guys are going to join. I hope you guys continue to make money, and I hope you use this formula so you can start making money on eBay right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love and appreciate everybody that has watched and subscribed. If you guys haven't already, man, make sure you guys go ahead and check out my other channel, Educated Hustler. I'm almost at 10K on there, and that is my channel where I show you just the experience of me being an entrepreneur, my ups and downs. I put a video on that channel at least every week once, but I try to do every day. But again, guys, that's where you can get motivation. That's where you can actually be able to see ups and downs I may have so that you know that you're not alone. That is what that channel is for. I also have Gadget Hustler. That is my new review channel. I'll be uploading reviews for products that you can actually get from my warehouse so you guys can start reselling too. Last but not least, make sure you guys go ahead and follow me on all my social media, man. Hustlertaughtme, new Instagram, my Educated Hustler Instagram. I'm not going to see messages. I get a whole bunch of random messages on there. I wanted to start everything fresh, brand new. TikTok, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram. If you follow me on all of those, you will help me so much. The links are below. Thank you so much, man. And also make sure you guys hit me up, man. Hit me up, man. Let's talk. I got a lot of freebies down there. I got everything down there for you. I got a Discord as well, man. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.